So I'm currently stuck in the middle of the woods on my dad's four-wheeler, and don't mind this, but I'm like not used to driving this really, so let's get it unstuck. So I'm pretty sure I'm out of fuel, but I turned the reserve on, but it's still not going. So I'm like in this like trench basically. So we're gonna try to push her out because I feel like it'd be easier. Oh shoot, it's slippery, guys. Oh my god, this is so much easier than my four-wheeler. Holy shit. Hold on. Update. We're leaving her behind for a minute. I literally have gotten stuck there like 3 times. So we're just gonna take a cute little walk down. So yeah. So I probably have like half a mile walk down. I'm just gonna pray that I don't run into a bear or a predator that will eat me. Okay, I'm back. Also, if it sounds weird, I have headphones under my helmet, so that's why it sounds like muffled almost. Okay, took my four-wheeler up here, and we're gonna, I've actually never put gas in this four-wheeler ever in my entire life, and I can't get the thing off. So it's really pretty dry in there, so we gotta add some gas. And I'm probably gonna, like, mess this up, but... Ugh, holy, that's so heavy. Guys, like, why did they design it like this? Like, oh, I almost just spilled it. Okay, I'm gonna fill this up. It got running, so thanks guys.